When Professor Charles Soludo came into power in Anambra State, there was a lot of fanfare, happiness, bustling, because everybody thought, including myself, that he had come with solution. With speed, he went into the Apoko slum and cleared it. The work there is still pending. He started recruiting 5,000 teachers across the board. But today, from the figures we have, it is nothing but shambolic. An applicant who scored above 75% in the first CBT test, scored above 70 in the second CBT test, and was actually invited for documentation after the noise raised by the Honorable Commissioner for Education, where an applicant was cursed and the foul language was used over the phone. Apology was rendered, but no resignation. Higher standard was expected. Now, Soludo cancelled the process once, twice. The opposition raised alarm that the exercise was shambolic and was characterized by corruption. Nobody took it serious. Finally, last week, the ugly corruption reared its head again. This applicant, who I will not reveal for security purposes, embossed me, sent me voice messages that after she was invited for the final documentation, she got to the place, to the venue of the documentation, like every other person. Their names were carefully removed. All the digitized work that Soludo's digital government claimed to have done disappeared. What they saw at the venue of the exercise was handwritten or typewritten names, majorly from Soludo's local government. What is going on? 2. The digital economy being introduced, or digital government by solution government of Professor Charles Soludo. Remember, he whose house is burning do not go after rats in the bush. Soludo left all this and went after Peter Obi. Well, like Open Whisper says, it could be a blessing in disguise. Fast forward it or reverse it a little bit and go to Soludo's budget of acceleration, where more than 1.2 billion was budgeted to take care of 30-member House of Assembly, and a paltry 900 million budgeted for constituency projects. Now, Soludo said that the interests of the House of Assembly members are being prioritized above the interests of the common people. We thought Soludo came to solve the problem of the common people, and that is what is called solution. Or is he there to disappoint people like Pat Tommy, Obi Ezekwesili, and a host of others who have placed the burden of trust on Charles Soludo? Man, this is Open Whispers. Get to the comment section and let me know. Do you think so far Soludo's government is yielding to the wishes of the people, or to the Anambra people, who after the tenure of Peter Obi went back to the government of settlement? This is Open Whispers. Remember to subscribe, click the like button, share the video, and leave your comment in the comment section below. Be well, do good work, and please do keep in touch. See something? Say something? Do something. 5,000 teachers recruitment in Anambra is nothing but a sham. What has happened, Professor Charles Soludo? Until we meet again in the arena. Cheers.